Hi. So I want to give a quick advertising framework that we use with all of our clients. This is much more simple than most agencies and growth marketers out there. It's very clear cut, but it actually works better than pretty much any sort of framework that you can use on paid traffic. You can use it on your outbound marketing, your organic social, and we'll just dive into this. So, an advertising framework, it's basically 3 steps for more clients and customers. So this works really well, especially if you're in like the B2B space, if you sell anything B2B, if you sell something a little bit high ticket to different a different subset of the market. So if it's B2C, but it's a little bit more high ticket, this also works. So the first step is you're actually creating your claim and your offer. So if you are a B2B coaching and training company, for example, you can basically go create your claim. So let's say you're selling to like accounting firms, for example, you can say how to add 10 new clients to your accounting firm per month without running or without hiring any more employees, right? So that could be your claim. Maybe that's enticing. Right. So you just create that offer and it has to be irresistible. If you're having trouble with creating irresistible offers, go read books like $100 Million Offers by Alex Hormozy. You can also read some copywriting books like Scientific Advertising. That'll kind of give you a framework for how to create these offers that are a little bit more irresistible to your clients rather than just saying, hey, we help you get more customers, or hey, we help you build your software for your company, right? These are boring offers. Whereas if you say for accountants, in-depth system on how to add 10 paying customers or clients per month without hiring new employees, that's a much more enticing offer, right? So that's the first step. Second thing is you need to test it immediately. So this is where most companies go wrong, including clients that we bring on board, where they create a program or they create a system or they create a new product or service or just their existing product or service. They've been trying to test a million things and plan out a million things, but they don't actually test it like hard. They don't go in on their testing. So let's say that you have that offer. You're a B2B coaching training company for accounting firms and you're going after accounting firms. All you need to do is just test it, right? Take the headline or take the claim of your offer, whatever it is that you're trying to sell. Let's say you have to book calls in order to sell that offer, and then just do a cold email campaign. And I'm not talking about sending 100 emails to 100 accountants or sending 1,000 emails to 1,000 accountants. I'm talking about like 5,000, even 10,000 emails. So that way you can get like thousands of eyeballs on the offer before you actually make a decision on if it works or not. Right. So through doing this, you'll learn what prospects like and what they don't like, and you'll be able to kind of adapt as you go, which brings it to the next thing. Adapt the offer on the fly. So rather than going back to the drawing board every 2 months, like most businesses do, just stick with the same offer. So again, if you're a B2B coaching and training company, for example, and you're selling to accounting firms, and let's say that, adding 10 new clients per month without hiring any new employees isn't really enticing. You run a huge cold email campaign. Maybe you spend like $500 on cold traffic or $1,000 on cold traffic, and nobody is showing any sort of interest. You can keep the same product, like the same service. Your service delivery is going to be the same, or maybe you have a course and that course is going to be the same. But instead, you're just changing the offer or the claim. You're saying, hey, we are going to help you install a client acquisition machine, and you don't have to spend any money on external advertising, right? So that's your new offer. Same system that you're going to show them how to do or coach them on, but it's a completely different offer. So you're just adapting the offer on the fly. Or let's say that you hop on a call with an accountant and he's like, I don't really need more clients. I just need to fulfill on my service a little bit better. So if that's the case, then you can basically just create a new offer that says, how to manage your current clients better and fulfill on your offer. So once you're adapting this, you're going to see a huge uptake in your take rate on the offer, and you'll be able to essentially grow the offer much quicker if you aren't adjusting the actual product or service. You're focusing on the same offer over and over again, but you're adapting it as you go. So I hope that framework makes sense. It's basically just create your claim and your offer, test it immediately, and then adapt the offer on the fly.